Hello everyone. In this video, let's learn how to change the layout and how to split the screen to make it be able to contain more charts simultaneously. Let's move our mouse over the table icon on the menu bar here, and you can see there are three types of the layouts. One has just one window, and the second one has 4 windows, and the third one has 2 windows. Let's make the third one as our example. Click it, and now you can see our old chart has been put into the left part of the screen. And then we add one more chart. You can see both of them were put into the same layout, so you cannot see the market movements simultaneously. So if we want to check them at the same time, how can we do? It's simple. Just move our mouse on the toolbar and drag one of them and drop it into the right side of the screen. Now, one of the charts was put into the right side of the screen. Okay? So now you can change the instrument you want to monitor. For example, if you want to check USD Japanese yen, then we just need to choose this instrument and then click change button. Now you can see USD Japanese yen and Euro USD at the same time. By using the same method, and we can split the screen into 4 parts, and then we can add more charts and check more instruments at the same time. Hopefully this tool can be helpful to your trading. Happy trading every day. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.